Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make authentic Isi Ewu.
When pressure holds too tight, only I can make up my mind and override the fight.
First, clean and season your goat's head. I use pepper and onion, seasoning cubes, and my spices. I use Napa spice. After seasoning it, add enough water and allow it to cook till it's tender. I cooked it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now remove it from fire and cut it into tiny pieces. In an empty pot, go in with your red oil. Please make sure the red oil will be enough for the goat's head. Now go in with your ongo. If you don't have this particular ongo, you can also use potash for this one. Stir it properly to get the consistency you want.
Just get by in life before we die.
Once you get the perfect consistency you need, you go in with your pepper and onion, your crayfish, your seasoning cubes.
Days are slip away sometimes when pressure holds too tight. Only I can make up my mind and override the fight.
I'll also be going in with my grounded Ehuru. It's also known as Calabash nutmeg. Mix everything together. After mixing everything together, please check if it needs any adjustment. I went in with more Calabash nutmeg. After mixing everything together and I'm okay with the taste, I went in with my oba. Mixed it together, then I now went in with the star of the show, the Isi Ewu. I mixed everything together like very, very well. So just because I wanted my Isi Ewu to be a bit hot, I went in with extra pepper and extra crayfish. See, I love crayfish in my Isi Ewu. It's a game changer, in fact. And this is just like finishing touches. If you like Utazi in your Isi Ewu, go ahead and add it. But if you don't like the taste of Utazi, you can just leave it.
I don't wanna just get by in life before we die. I only live a single time, no chances to revive. Days are slip away sometimes when pressure holds too tight.